The Adventures of Nomenclature with teacher and student. Hi, my name is Mr. Teacher. We will begin to start learning about nomenclature. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature is the naming of compounds. Fascinating. First, binary molecular compounds are made of two nonmetals. Bring in the periodic table. How do you tell if you have two nonmetals? The shaded region are the nonmetals. Very interesting. Next, name the first element using the appropriate prefix. What are the prefixes? Well, the prefixes are mono equals 1, di equals 2, tri equals 3, tetra equals 4, penta equals 5, hexa equals 6, hepta equals 7, octa equals 8, nona equals 9, and deca equals 10. Okay. How do you know which prefix to use? You have to note the number of atoms of each element. For example, S3N2 equals trisulfur dinitride. Where do you get the IDE from? You name the second element using the root and changing the ending to IDE. I get it now. What's next? Next, we'll go over ionic compounds. They're made up of a metal and a nonmetal. How do you name ionic compounds? I will teach you. Yay! Number 1. The number of atoms doesn't matter, and there isn't any prefixes. Number 2. Name the cation. Number 3. Name the anion using the root of the element and changing the ending to IDE. Yes, sir. I'm so glad you taught me how to name ionic compounds. If you thought that was awesome, wait for the polyatomic ions. Oh my god, I can't wait. Polyatomic ions are groups of molecular bonded atoms that function as an ion. So, how many elements are there in a polyatomic ion? 3. What? There can't be more than 2. Oh yes there can. A polyatomic ion has more than 2 elements. It has 3. Now we're going to learn how to name them. Yes. You never change the name of a polyatomic ion. Other than that, normal rules for ionic compounds apply. This is insanity. Acid time. S's will always end in the word acid. That's so cool. And an acid formula will always begin with an H. A hydro acid means binary. If it doesn't have hydro, it's polyatomic. Thank you for teaching me. The end.